Hi everyone, welcome back to the Creative Cafe. Today we are going to be making a fan out of the snap circuits. First, of course, you need your board that you're going to work on. Next, you need your power generator, your motor, your fan piece, your S1 switch, and 2 connectors. First, you need to take your power generator and put it in the bottom corner. Make sure that the batteries are sticking out of the board, like this. Next, you need to take 3 of those 2 connectors and then place them in a staircase motion, so then one is always higher than the one before, like this. Next, you should have a one space in the middle. Then you should put your staircase so then the bottom is there and it will be able to move. Next, you should take your S1 switch, make sure it's on the off, and then put it in between the 2 in the power generator. Next, you take the motor and your last 2 connector, and then you attach the 2 connector to the side which has a plus on it. Next, attach the side that has M1 to the other side of the power generator. Last but not least, you attach the 2 2s together. Now, to create the fan, you have to make sure that these pieces that are sticking out go directly on the fan so it fits. Last but not least, turn it on and voila! There you have it. This is how to make a basic fan. If you want to make a basic light, just replace the motor with a light. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe, and share with your friends. Bye.